And I have done a little bit of research on this nanodiamond levitating stuff, and it is not bad news. It looks like it's not the only thing that can be levitated. I didn't even pay attention to the fact that in the same video where the dude scoops up nanodiamond powder, he was using Sharpie marker juice was floating in the thing. So silk, by all means, stands to reason to be able to float in that beam. The only catch that I find is, will it burn? If you need a whole bunch more, I really just don't know. But obviously, if you have two lasers where it's caught in the vector, if it's strong enough to carry it, but not too strong to burn it, God, if zircon could float, you know what I mean? Zircon doesn't burn. At least, not where diamond does. I don't know. Diamond burns in liquid oxygen, so maybe it's different in regular. In space, it won't burn, so I guess that's the point, you know. And so then silk won't burn. What's cool is it's like this. A light sail doesn't have to be actually shaped like a sail. It can be a ball. It can be a humongous, extremely long strand. Tied to it would be the little device, the little spaceship. It's not hard to do. You guys could do it. If I could do it, you can do it. That's for dang sure. The question is, if there is a piece caught in a beam, when you tether it to another one that's not in the beam, will it float that too? If the answer is yes, this is an absolutely successful thing. If it doesn't the first time, strengthen the beam, see if you can get it to do it. But I'll tell you what, my guess is yes, it can. The fact that he turned the beam like that and it stayed in the beam, that's what lets me think it's possible. So I really think that would be the key to light sails. I can't believe nobody else has thought of this. Like, using it as a levitating for the sake of a light sail. They're talking about this is for macro, such and such for quantum. That's cool too. But I'll tell you what. Take me somewhere. Take me away. 30 seconds to Mars, right? Whatever it takes to get there. I'm just throwing a number out because of a band name, right? But to be sure, I don't know. It would be a lot faster. The whole time you'd be accelerating and then decelerating. That's how fast you'd be able to go. So you don't get smushed. So you're sitting in there in 3 or 4 Gs the entire time. And then it switches direction. You have to get out of your seat and go in the other seat, or the seat swivels. If you have a shit ton of these nanodiamond powders or a shit ton of silk, I would like the refractive index being really high. So silk is cool. Silk might be refractive enough. It might be essentially diamonds on a string. I don't know. The best part about it is the shape of a funnel web spider's web. We might take a look at that. It would be a worthy cause, people, to find good things in a notorious animal or a notorious thing. Because here, I'm a notorious thing. So then as such, let me be able to show you something good. Thank you for letting me share.